The Level 7 Postgraduate Diploma in Data Science has been designed to aid aspiring data scientists, data analysts, and artificial intelligence specialists capitalize on expanding business and job opportunities in these industries. The purpose of the Postgraduate Level 7 Diploma in Data Science is to assist students in developing their mathematical, statistical, and programming skills in Python and SQL. In addition, this diploma in data science provides a strong foundation for the pursuit of master's degrees in a range of related subjects.
This qualification is regulated by the Office of Qualifications and Examinations Regulation, ofqual.gov.uk.
Enrolling in this program will allow you to acquire an internationally recognized and globally accepted qualification. The qualification is assessed through the submission of reports and presentations. There are no exams.
The Level 7 Diploma in Data Sciences carries a credit weight of 120 UK, or 60 ECTS credits, and allows direct entry to a top-up degree course in the same field.
Learners possessing a bachelor's degree, a Level 6 diploma or an equivalent qualification are eligible to enroll in this course. Students with extensive work experience but no academic qualifications are also eligible to apply. As this qualification is approved and regulated by Ofqual, learners can progress to master's top-up degrees at numerous UK and international universities. For more information, please visit us at www.lsbr.uk or call us on +44 203 608 6991. Think smart, learn fast, study online.